Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Notion. So if you want to add an additional layer of security to your account, let me show you. Head over to your settings, right there, and click on your account at the top. Once you click on it, make sure you've set a password on your account. So if you don't have any password for your account, you're not going to see the two-step verification option. Just create a password. And now click on Add Verification Method. Once you click on it, you're going to see different options. So you can tell them to send you a code anytime you want to log into your account. And you can also make use of the Authenticator app. So with this second option, they will ask you to add your phone number. So I'm just going to make use of the Authenticator app. So now you're going to scan this QR code with your Authenticator app. As you can see, you can also click on Can't Scan Code, and they're going to give you a backup code, so you can just use this key, this backup key, and enter it into your Authenticator app. So I'm going to use Google Authenticator on my phone. So I've copied this, so let's copy it. So I'm going to open the Google Authenticator on my phone, and I'm going to add it. It is very easy to add it, so let's enter the name, which is Notion, and now I'm going to enter the name right here. And this one-time code, so the code is 7872787787278, and click on Continue. So the two-step verification will now be enabled. You need to save your backup code somewhere. So let's click on I have saved them. And that's it. So this is it, very easy. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.